guys, today we're gonna open this box and see what's inside. This is my new Boxman. He came from Amazon. Today he came. So I'm gonna have my dad unbox this after he's done fixing the toilet. So I'll see you next.
All right, just wanted to record that this top right corner here, the packaging, pretty messed up. I don't think it's going to affect the train based on its location. Just wanted to notate that something did happen to this on the way here or prior to being packaged or whatever. So if something is wrong with the train itself, there's a possibility that we had other issues going on here. So just wanted to make note of that.
And we don't know if this...
All right, buddy. Good job. You got it out. We got it. Oop, put it back in the camera. There you go.
So, this is the side view of when it came to Sodor. It comes with moving eyes, and this is the other side. You see the L, the S, B, C, and the 70. And the stripes are white and not red because he was in the Adventure Begins when he came to Sodor like this. Those two. You see him coming down the line over there. And so, and his practice run was complete. My first Bachman. It came with the Annie and Claire bell. This is his side. This is his back. This is his side. It comes with moving eyes. It's the same box that they holded him in. Have him run. And both engines are going to be attached to each other so they can run together. We have them both attached to Annie and Claire. Blue Thomas is in the back, green Thomas is in the front. So I'm going to start to run them. They're both moving good. They're going to go a little faster. So now that we have a front engine and a back engine, they're doing good. So we are gonna have, but next part we're only gonna have green Thomas running by himself. Wait, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. There we go. We're gonna have him zooming. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Do you guys see that? Thomas's eyes are wonky. So we're gonna do that as goof in this video. This is the only goof that I've only found, and we are gonna only have this goof inside for G-Word Studios to find. So see you next time.